They look like just another piece of jewelry, don't they? Beautiful, sleek, innocent. But what if I told you these earrings are much more than meet the eye? What if I told you they have the power to change the way you hear the world, and perhaps the way you play the game? This is the Nova H1 earrings, a groundbreaking wearable audio device that combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. But let's ask the tough questions. Could they be used to cheat in exams, debate, or even high-stakes scenarios? The Nova H1 is designed for seamless, discrete audio with built-in micro speakers and directional sound. These earrings allow you to listen privately without anyone noticing. No bulky headphone, no obvious signs of tech, just style, but that discretions come with potential dark side. In the wrong hand, this tech could be used to gain an unfair advantage. Imagine these answers being whispered to you, debate points fed in real time, all through an innocent looking piece of jewelry. These earrings don't require wires or visible components, and the directional audio ensures only you hear the sound. It's subtle, it's invisible to those around you, and that makes it even more dangerous in the environment where honesty is key. Cheating, however, is a choice. While these earrings could be misused, integrity always rests with the user. Exams, debate, competitions, your performance should reflect your own effort, not the power of technology. If you are caught, the consequences could be severe. But beyond that, the H1 is a game changer in the right way. It's perfect for anyone looking to stay connected while maintaining a sense of style. Imagine taking calls on the go, listening to music, or even turning into podcasts without anyone noticing you have got a device on you. Whether you are exercising, commuting, or working in a public space, the Nova H1 blends right in, helping you stay connected, discreetly and fashionable. It's a piece of tech that adds to your life without taking away from your look. Could it be misused? Yes, but like all technology, it's how you choose to use it that defines its value, and with great power comes great responsibility. With the Nova H1 audio earrings, where fashion meets functionality. Just remember, style is timeless, but integrity is everything. Are you ready to wear the future? If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.